Shares of China's electric vehicle battery giant, Contemporary Amperex Technology Company, Limited, better known as CATL, soared on their debut at the Hong Kong Stock Exchange this Tuesday, May 20th, marking the largest IPO in the world so far this year. In a grand ceremony held at the exchange, CATL's founder and chairman Robin Zeng struck the traditional listing gong as the company's stock officially opened at 296 Hong Kong dollars, a 12.5% jump above its initial subscription price of 263 Hong Kong dollars. This strong performance follows CATL raising an impressive $4.6 billion through the offering, drawing global attention to China's expanding role in the future of green energy. Robin Zeng stood proudly on stage, surrounded by executives and dignitaries, as the screen behind him tracked the rising share price in real time. Holding a champagne glass high in celebration, Zeng declared that this listing is a new starting point for CATL as it integrates deeper into global capital markets.
The Hong Kong stock listing signifies our deeper integration into the global capital market and marks a new starting point for us to promote the global zero-carbon economy. CATL is not just a battery component manufacturer, but also a provider of system solutions. It is more committed to becoming a zero-carbon technology company.
In her remarks at the ceremony, Renu Bhatia, chair of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange Listing Committee, described CATL as the world's largest electric vehicle battery and energy storage system producer.
On the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange is Contemporary Amperex Technology Company Limited. The company is the largest electric vehicle battery and energy storage system battery producer in the world. Stock code will be 3750. The stock short is CATL. Board lot 100H shares. The issue price is 263 Hong Kong dollars per H share.
Also speaking at the event was Wang Shuguang, a senior member of the China International Capital Corporation, who oversees investment banking. He praised CATL's international ambitions, calling its listing a textbook example of how Chinese industrial leaders can successfully go global.
Actually, this sets a good example for Chinese enterprises exploring the international market and actively pursuing internationalization. The CATL is not an isolated case. In fact, more and more Chinese industrial companies are going global, actively using their own products to serve the global market, and then serving the society and people in various regions. So I think this is a long-term trend. Therefore, I believe that CATL's listing is definitely a good example for Chinese enterprises going global.
The mood was jubilant as the listing event concluded, but the strategic implications of CATL's IPO are just beginning to unfold. As the world's dominant EV battery maker, supplying industry giants like Tesla, BMW, and Hyundai, CATL is now reinforcing its position in global financial and energy supply chains. Analysts say this move also signals China's broader ambitions to lead in renewable technology innovation and international market integration. The successful IPO comes at a time when demand for electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions is skyrocketing, driven by government mandates and climate commitments worldwide. With CATL's listing now complete, the focus turns to how the company will deploy its new capital. Industry experts expect continued expansion into Europe, Southeast Asia, and the US, along with deeper investments into battery recycling, energy storage systems, and carbon-neutral production technologies. The Hong Kong stock market, buoyed by the excitement around CATL, saw its benchmark Hang Seng Index rise by about 1% in early trading. Many see this IPO not only as a business milestone but also as a barometer of investor confidence in China's green technology sector. For CATL, the message is clear: the future is electric, the future is global, and this is only the beginning.